And then the elevators, they all have these new push button. Kind of nice. I'm just taking get a picture. Come on in.
So right now, guys, we're going to do the Princess Wave. Okay. Princess the Wave. One. Where's the princess?
And this is what Cabanas looks like at 12:20 in the afternoon when there's only 400 people on a ship. It's very different. 400 people and lots of room everywhere. And I forgot to mention, only half of Cabanas is open. They've got 2 areas there to eat. They've got the dessert counter in the back. No thanks. And the other side over there is closed. They don't need it open today. And just to let you see how busy Cabanas is not today, they only have about half of it running, maybe a little less. And there's a few people in here. I'm sitting next to 2 people, and I see another 2 people not too far away. A lot of people in here ready to help you. But with this lower count, it shows. And on all the elevators on the Disney Wonder now, it's just like the Disney Magic. You just wave your hand in front of them, and that's all you do. You don't have to touch anything. Stand back and wait and see. And there we go. Where inside they have a little touch screen to indicate the floor and to go there. Something new and fancy on the ship.
Deck 7.
And here we're there.